First, let's see quick checkout process. Enter your mobile number and verify it. Now select your address. Enter complete address details. Now select your payment method and continue. It's a COD confirmation pop-up to reduce RTO. Purchase done. Now to set up quick checkout settings, click on Setting option, then go to Checkout option. Here under the quick checkout settings, select your authentication through option. Here you have to select by which method the customer should be verified. Now select yes or no to enable OTP verification. If we want to show banner, then we will enable it. The banner shows here on the quick checkout page. Here enter your banner text. Then select background color and text color. Then select background opacity. Here select your checkout logo. Let's see how it looks. Now let's set up checkout settings. Here select who can check out, guest and members both or only members. Now set up auto accept orders, prepaid orders only, or manual and prepaid both orders select according to you. Then set up address preference, billing and shipping. Address will be same, the customer will not see the billing address option. The billing address will be the same as the shipping address, or billing and shipping address could be different. The customer will see both shipping and billing address options. For example, we select billing and shipping address could be different. Let's see how it works. Here billing and GST information is showing successfully. For a faster checkout, you can disable the billing address option if it is not required. Now select an option between Auto-complete address and Validate address. Now let's set up Customer Information Settings. Select Company Name, Business Name. Required optional or hide. Similarly, select Address Line 2, whether you want to keep it as optional or required or hide. Now we select Landmark field as optional, required or hide. Then we select Tax GST number as optional or required or hide. Now, to send an email to customers who didn't finish checkout, click on Automatically Send Abandoned Checkout Emails. Here select Time in Send Email After option. One important note. If you've already sent an email manually for an abandoned checkout, it won't be sent again for the same order. Now click on Save Setting button. Let's preview it to see the changes. OTP verification is not asked here because we have not enabled OTP verification. Now, we will enter the customer information that we have set up. Here you can enter the billing address separately as we had set it. Here is showing shipping method to set up shipping. Click on Setting option. Here click on Shipping option. Click on Default Shipping Rates under Shipping Zone section. Here you can add your shipping zone wise. Complete shipping setup link is in the description. Now to set up payment gateway. Click on Setting option. Here click on Payments option. Manage from here, or you can install your desired payment gateway app. Click on Manage Apps option. Click on Payments Gateways option. For payment gateways setup, you can see the tutorials of payment gateways integration. Link in description. Now click on Complete Order button. COD confirmation will appear. This confirmation is for reducing the RTO order. Click on Proceed to COD to complete this order. Payment completed successfully.